This is how I want to wake up every single morning. We've just walked down to the beach. The sea is completely calm. There's German shepherds walking up and down the beach. We have whitewashed buildings on both sides of the bay, and it is just perfect here in Bodrum.
Last night we flew from Istanbul to Bodrum, which is a beach town a little south in Turkey, and since we flew in late we didn't get to see the beach, and so we woke up early this morning to see the sunrise, and it did not disappoint. Greece trip, we did not want to let summer go. It's October and we still refuse to say that summer has passed us. We will be here in Bodrum for the next 3 days and we have some fun things planned. Today's adventure is to take a 7-hour boat cruise around Bodrum. We think we're going to be able to snorkel and just enjoy the scenery. Now we just need to wait to get picked up.
There are a little less rules and regulations when you're in Turkey.
Is that right? The water here is crystal clear. The sand is so white and it's shallow. So we're gonna take our second dip of the day. water is so much colder than we were expecting, but I can reach, which is a plus.
After about 25 seconds in the water, we decided it's too cold and we're going back on the boat.
The water is so cold. I thought it would be a little bit warmer, but it's nice and refreshing.
Refreshing is just another word for freezing. And just like that, we are done with our boat tour.